responding to an ongoing incident in Leeds. Martin Williams is here from our newsroom, who's across the story.
Yeah, getting reports, Ollie, of a disturbance, seeing lots of videos as well emerging of this disturbance in the Harehills area of Leeds tonight. Online videos showing hundreds of people on the streets. You can hear there the crowd there. The noise as a double-decker bus is set alight, and then a police car, you can hear the siren there. A police car has been flipped over as part of that disturbance. Earlier in the evening, local councillor Salma Arif published this video update on social media.
I'm here with...
Hello, my name's Inspector Ali Nichols. I'm the East Leeds Neighbourhood Police Inspector.
There is an ongoing situation currently in Harehills. We're aware of that. The police is here. We are asking everybody in the area to please stay at home at this moment in time.
Yeah, so if you can all just stay where you are, stay in your houses. We will manage this. And if you're out in the crowd, I'll just ask you to go home, please, so we can keep everybody safe. Thank you.
And the Home Secretary's been commenting on what's happening as well, hasn't she? What's she been saying?
Yeah, Yvette Cooper has been writing on social media saying, "I am appalled at the shocking scenes and attacks on police vehicles and public transport in Leeds tonight. Disorder of this nature has no place in our society," she says. "My thanks go to West Yorkshire Police for their response. I'm being kept regularly updated." And I've seen, Ollie, images of police in riot gear with plastic shields. It looks to be a very large police presence in the Harehills area of Leeds at the moment, with officers responding to what they're describing as an ongoing incident.
Do we know how this came about?
Yeah, well, police were first responding to what they're describing as a disturbance in Luxor Street at 5 o'clock yesterday afternoon. Now, we understand that it involved agency workers and some children. Now, West Yorkshire Police are saying that crowds then began to gather and a decision was taken to remove both the agency workers and the children involved to what the police describe as a safe place. It was at that point that the situation then escalated further, and we're seeing the images that we are at the moment of what you could well describe as a riot, certainly a large disturbance involving what seems to be hundreds of people and those fires, and a big police presence in the Harehills area of Leeds tonight.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much for joining us with that. Really appreciate that. Martin Williams there with an update on what's been going on in Leeds this evening. Extraordinary to think that may, if Martin's report is correct there in what he's been hearing, have escalated from a dispute of some kind between agency workers and some children. And a dispute there with West Yorkshire Police, because, you know, of course, I'm looking at footage on social media. I can't verify it all from here, but it looks like Leeds to me. Fireballs in the sky is pretty scary stuff. And I'm sure tomorrow, as the dust settles and we work out exactly what happened in Leeds tonight, there'll be a lot to discuss.
it's safer to play, to park. Put me drone up. I'm going to put me drone. How come we do that?